This is a used 2007 Pontiac G6, powered by front-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a panoramic sunroof, heated seats, a premium sound system, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, a spoiler, an alarm system, cruise control, keyless entry, a trip computer, privacy glass. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, independent suspension, traction control, a passenger airbag, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.